going on. So who goes to the track and doesn't want to see what they did afterwards? You know, see their accomplishments and where they can improve and all that good noise, right? Everybody does. Well, I found an app that makes this possible, and it is way better than I ever thought it would be. It's called TrackAddict, and not only is it free, it has a ton of capabilities, a ton of features. Really pretty damn amazing. What you do is you mount your phone in your window so it can see out and see the track and everything. You start it up, and it'll actually use GPS to tell when you're starting the lap. Now, when I say lap, it'll actually use, you tell it what track you're at. So it knows the track layout and everything, knows when to start, when to count laps, everything. It's some high-speed shit. This isn't just starting a camera. So not only will it count your laps, it'll actually use the front camera to capture video. It can control a GoPro, so you can actually use it to start the GoPro recording so they sync up real easy. It'll also use external GPS modules like this. This is a Q-Stars 818 XT. And what that does is it transmits your GPS location at 10 hertz, 10 times per second, instead of just 1 hertz like most phones. Most cellular, ooh, they almost hit each other. Ooh, that was close. Most cellular devices, the GPS units built into those only have a 1 hertz refresh rate. So your accuracy will suffer. 10 hertz obviously is a lot better. What you do is you get this thing, you turn it on 10 hertz, you toss it up on your dashboard. It has a little rubber kind of grippy part on the bottom so it doesn't slide around so much, and honestly the thing's so damn light, really wouldn't hurt anything if it did go flying, but obviously it might kind of skew your data a little bit, so you don't want the thing to move around too much. It'll connect to the TrackAddict app along with your GoPro and whatever else you're trying to connect to it, because it'll also do OBD2 inputs, so you can get a Bluetooth OBD2 transmitter and send it to TrackAddict as well. Like I said, this is far beyond just strapping a camera to your window. So you got that on, you crank up TrackAddict, you go out and you do your, and then you go back to the computer, and there's a program called Race Render. That's what I used to, what the hell? Did you see that damn truck? Fuck. But Race Render is what I used to make the video of me passing the 911. It too is free. It has limitations in its free state or free form, or whatever. The free version has a couple limitations, like you can only render out 3-minute videos, but overall it's still incredibly functional and pretty damn user-friendly too. I was very impressed with the Race Render software, especially considering it doesn't cost anything. On top of all that, you can also export VBO files. VBO files are the files output by RaceLogic's V-Boxes. These are the really high-end little blue things you suction cup the windows. Why they're so damn expensive still, I don't know, because I got that for $50 off eBay. TrackAddict does way more using your phone than the little V-Box thing could ever dream of, and that app's free. So I'm in for a total of $50-ish for way more functionality. Don't know why the V-Box stuff is so damn expensive still, but whatever. But I digress. You can export the VBO file from TrackAddict along with the video and the whole package. You can send it out and import it into V-Box's software. V-Box's software is called Circuit Tools, and it too is free. How cool is that? With that, you can spit out all the cool 0 to 60 graphs and your speed charts and your G-forces. You can graph it all out. It'll also align it with the video for you. Kind of like Race Render, but I do like how Circuit, the V-Box software, will actually graph stuff. Because I think I get a kick out of seeing more than just a 0 to 60 time. I like to see the acceleration curve. It's kind of interesting. The VBO files will allow you to do that. It's pretty damn amazing. Whether you have a Android or an iOS, I'm pretty sure TrackAddict will work on both. Obviously it works on Android because it works great on my V30. I can even select between the normal camera, the front-facing camera, or the wide angle on the V30 using the TrackAddict app and record any of them on the track. So that's pretty amazing. But yeah, it works on any platform. It's free, super powerful. If you ever go to the track, or even if you just go out and goof around in, closed courses, you got to check it out. It's pretty damn amazing. So yeah, that's it for now. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and all that happy horse shit. I will talk to you later.